Impulse Tunes, built for modern independent artists.
If you're a musician wondering where your Spotify Wrapped is, the easiest way to find it is actually through your email. Spotify has started sending out the official notifications, so go to the email address linked to your artist profile. Open the email with the subject line confirming your Wrapped is ready. It should look something like this. Once the dashboard loads, don't panic if you don't see it at the very top. Just scroll down a little bit. You are looking for this colorful card that says your artist Wrapped. This is the portal to your stats. And here we go. It plays out just like an Instagram story. Pause for effect as numbers pop up. This is where you'll see your total stream count for the year, your total hours listened, and how many new listeners discovered you. It usually breaks down your top songs and the countries where you grew the most. At the end, it gives you this summary card. Make sure to save this or screenshot it to post on your socials. Let me know in the comments. Did you beat your numbers from last year? Thanks for watching.
So I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it, so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to
Impulse Tunes, built for modern independent artists.